Yes.
And also the cost factor, do you think it has become more affordable now than it used to be?
Absolutely, absolutely. But now, I mean, when I think a couple of years back, even say 15, 20 years back, when we were on the learning phase of IVF, we hardly had few centers. We hardly knew few IVF doctors. Now I think IVF is just like become a very common treatment modality. And yes, absolutely, now with the government licensing and kind of strict kind of levels that the government is trying to have on every setup. Now again, I think the centers will be yes, very streamlined, and very, yes, there will be all licensed centers that will be able to practice IVF, and that's in one way a very good kind of approach to the government to systematically, yes, put centers in place. Coming to the cost factor, yes, cost factors has been regularized. There's been quite a lot of kind of advances that have come up. One is the expertise available have become uh, quite a number. So the consultant part of the consultant, yes, accessibility to patients is there. Obviously the lab technology has become better. We have well trained embryologists now easily available, giving us good results. And obviously the gonadotropins, the drug, the pharmacological industry has made a lot of advances here. So the drugs that were a long time imported with huge taxes now are manufactured in India. And somewhere we should be thankful to Mr. Modi ji, our Prime Minister, for Make in India. So we have a lot of plans now coming in locally. So gonadotropins has become a very affordable thing for the patient now. Yeah. So I think all these things have, and now the competitive environment with IVF centers. So everybody wants to give it at a price where the patient can take it. So this is something which is again, a very big breakthrough in IVF clinics. Like a lot of affordable IVF treatments have come in.